In this video, I will show you how to connect your Samsung Smart TV to Wi-Fi without the remote control. So if you misplace the remote control of your Samsung Smart TV or your remote control is not just working, this video is going to show you 3 options you can still use to connect your Samsung Smart TV to a Wi-Fi network without the remote control. And for the first solution, what you want to do is to go ahead and trick your Samsung Smart TV to connect to your Wi-Fi network by changing the name and password of your current Wi-Fi network to the previous Wi-Fi network that the Samsung Smart TV has connected to before. So basically, for this to work, your Samsung Smart TV must have connected to a previous Wi-Fi in the past, and basically what you want to do is to go ahead and change the name and password of your current Wi-Fi to the same name and password of the previous Wi-Fi, and that will basically trick the Samsung Smart TV to connect to the current Wi-Fi thinking that it is the previous one. So using my phone as my Wi-Fi, for example, if I want my Samsung Smart TV to connect to my phone hotspot, what I will just do is to go ahead and change the hotspot name and password to the previous Wi-Fi name and password that my Samsung Smart TV has connected to before. And to do this, you want to go over to the hotspot or Wi-Fi settings of your device, and then you just want to go ahead and change the Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password, as you can see over here, to the same Wi-Fi name and password of your previous Wi-Fi. So this is my hotspot, and I'm just going to go ahead and change the name and password over here to the Wi-Fi that my Samsung Smart TV has connected to in the past. And after changing the name and password, I'll just go ahead and click on the done button and then turn on my phone hotspot. And once this is done, you want to go ahead and give your Samsung Smart TV some minutes, and it will automatically connect to this new Wi-Fi thinking that it is actually the previous one. Alternatively, if you wait for some minutes and it does not automatically connect to your new Wi-Fi, what you can just do is to go ahead and turn off your Samsung Smart TV and then turn it on. This will automatically make the Samsung Smart TV search for available Wi-Fi network and connect to your new Wi-Fi network thinking that it is actually the previous one. As long as the Wi-Fi name and the Wi-Fi password is exactly the same as the previous one, it will connect to your new Wi-Fi or hotspot network. Another way you can actually connect your Samsung Smart TV to a Wi-Fi network without the remote control is to basically use a keyboard just like this one over here. Now it can either be a wired keyboard or a Bluetooth keyboard with a USB dongle that you can now connect to the USB port on your Samsung Smart TV. I have already connected my own USB dongle to my Samsung Smart TV over here, so you want to go ahead and connect either your wired keyboard or your Bluetooth keyboard with a USB dongle to the USB port on your Samsung Smart TV. And using the control buttons over here on your keyboard, you can literally just go ahead and start controlling your Samsung Smart TV without the remote control. So with the navigation button, I can just come over to the home of my Samsung Smart TV using the keyboard, and then just scroll over to the settings of the Samsung Smart TV, then scroll down and then go over to network settings on the keyboard over here, and then go ahead and connect my Samsung Smart TV to my Wi-Fi network using just my keyboard. The final solution to still connect your Samsung Smart TV to a Wi-Fi network without the remote control is to basically just get a wired Wi-Fi. Now with a wired Wi-Fi, you do not need to scroll through the screen of the TV. By just connecting your wired Wi-Fi to the Ethernet port on your Samsung Smart TV, the internet connection from the Wi-Fi automatically just connects to the TV. So you can now connect your phone to that same Wi-Fi network and then use your phone to control your Samsung Smart TV, because both the Samsung Smart TV and your phone are both connected to the same Wi-Fi. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.